Join Owen Equipment as we embark on the road to the annual conference at Utah's Water Environment Association. We'll be making this journey in one of the most powerful and intuitive machines available on the market, Vactor's 2100i. Built with the intention of putting operators' needs first, these trucks remain a standout entry among other combination sewer cleaners. Today, we'll show you why we chose this model to make the journey and what exactly sets it apart from other options. The 2100i has been integrated with advanced tech systems to increase efficiency on the average job and make operators' lives much easier. This ever-advancing technology not only enhances the performance of the machine, but also of the people operating it, resulting in less fatigue, more comfort, better precision, and superior power. This is one spot where Vactor succeeds over other brands, marrying the needs of the operator with an intuitive system to truly bring out the best in both. The name of this system is IntuiTouch, and it has been engineered from the ground up to give your team quick and easy access to every aspect of the truck. From cameras and lighting to water pressure and flow, the full range of control is placed in the hands of the operator for greater productivity. The upgrades implemented in the 2100i are not limited to just the software, but extend to the hardware as well. Compared to other models, this machine offers an optional RDB 1015 rapid deployment boom, able to telescope out up to 10 feet and extend 15 feet with no need for additional tubing. The inclusion of this feature has made operations on lift stations or deep manholes significantly easier for your team, cutting in half the time for setup and teardown, making the 21i a considerably more efficient option over jetter trucks, trailers, and even competing models. That same increase in efficiency on the job site even extends to this model's overall fuel efficiency. The addition of Vactor's multi-flow system further separates these machines from all others by allowing operations to be performed at a lower RPM, which conserves energy and uses less water, all while reducing component wear and tear. Couple this with the jet rod or water pump for smooth, continuous flow, and you've got a machine that's capable of dominating just about anything you throw it at. The sheer number of advantages offered by this unit are too great to count, having become a leading choice among operators everywhere, for good reason, such as the ability to choose between single or tandem axles or the quieter engine design, lower water fill point, and over 100 precision-engineered enhancements for full customization of your equipment. We could go on forever. Only with Vactor's 2100i will you find this level of in-depth, operator-friendly equipment. Owen Equipment continues its work to elevate your business with our industry-leading equipment lineup, stocked and ready to get you the tools you need right when you need them. Stay tuned as we continue our journey to Utah's Water Environment Association Conference. In the meantime, you can get in touch with an expert at one of our 5 locations to schedule a demo or consultation. As always, we take pride in providing nothing but the best equipment on the market, because at Owen Equipment, we're on a first-name basis with success.